In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write or draw on Google Slides while giving a presentation. This handy feature is great for engaging your audience and illustrating your points more vividly. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of your presentation using the pen tool in slideshow mode. To begin, you'll want to open your presentation in Google Slides. Once you're ready, locate the Slideshow button, which can be found in the top right corner of the screen. Just click on it to start your presentation. Now you're in slideshow mode, and this is where the magic happens. At this point, you'll need to access the pen tool, which is situated in a menu that's a little hidden but easy to reach. Simply hover your cursor over the bottom left corner of your screen, and you'll notice a menu pops up. Within this menu, look for the three dots, which represent the Options menu. Click on those, and the next moves are straightforward. Once you're in the Options menu, you'll see the option to turn on the pen. Select this to enable the pen tool, which will give you the ability to draw directly on your slides. It's as easy as that. Now, you can take your mouse or use a stylus if you prefer to start drawing or writing on your slides. This feature is especially useful when you want to highlight specific areas or jot down spontaneous ideas as they come up during your presentation. What's really versatile about this tool is the ability to change pen colors. To switch colors, you'll need to click the pen tool icon again and select a different hue from the variety that's available. This way, you can ensure your additional notes and drawings really stand out against the content of your slide. But what if you make a mistake or simply want to remove your annotations? No worries at all. In the same bottom left corner menu where you found the options, you'll find an eraser tool. This will allow you to erase any unwanted marks or even start fresh if needed, ensuring your presentation remains clean and focused. And once you've completed your annotations and you're ready to continue or wrap up, it's important to know how to exit pen mode. Simply head back to the Options menu by hovering over the bottom left corner once more. Click the Turn off the pen option, and your presentation will return to its standard state, free from any further drawing interruptions. With these steps, you're all set to add that extra layer of interactivity to your Google Slides presentation. Enjoy using this tool to enrich your presentations and keep your audience engaged. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best in your upcoming presentations.